Hello everyone, welcome once again to Learning Station. In today's video, we are going to learn the idiom, keep your fingers crossed. Keep your fingers crossed is an idiom that is used to express that something positive or favorable will happen as per your expectation. Or it is also used to wish for good luck. It's time to check out some examples.
I have prepared well for the entrance exam. I hope I secure a seat, keeping my fingers crossed.
We are planning a trip to Singapore, keeping our fingers crossed.
I really hope the judges like my dish. Fingers crossed.
For more such videos, please do watch our channel. So until meeting you next time, it's Neema and the team at Learning Station signing off. Bye-bye.